afternoon. We're on our way camping up at Loch Lomond, me and Albie, who's currently engrossed in some iPad material. First ever video, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know how to edit yet, but I'll figure it out obviously once I've took all the videos. It is an absolute scorcher. The sun is shining, hang on. So, sunny Scotland, so we're on our way to Loch Lomond. We'll see you later. Well, there's either 400 million other people going camping, or there's a crash up ahead, which ain't great. That's us here. Albie's just woke up. Say hello.
Hi.
So we're going to go down and look at the potential bit. Well, it's no potential because we've been here loads. Right, come and see trips. Let's go, Albie. Wait to see how beautiful this is. Take. Look at that. So we need to scale a wee wall first. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Right, 1 up. 2 up. Oh. Right, Mum will show you a bit. What do you think, Albie, will we camp here? Right, let's go and get the stuff and get sorted. There you go, boys, the tent is up. Albie's hitting stuff into the ground. Get some hot dogs on the go, some wood for the fire. Couple of fishing rods out, fire on, and a bit of Loch Lomond. That's how it's done. Hot dog, hot diggity dogs. Hot diggity dogs. Sorry about the coconut noodle, pal. I just forgot about the kettle. So we've got Albie's wee blue sonic rod there, looking for trout, and we've got a pike rod there. So we're not that far out obviously, and it is quite shallow here for quite a bit. So listen, if we get something we get something, if we don't we don't. So fire's not blasting, but it's keeping the midges away. Albie's whacking tent pegs in, And we've got some hot dogs on the go. Right, dinner is done. We're going to walk. As you can see, Albie's got my jumper on, since my jumper's down to his ankles. That's a golf course over there. Uh-huh. Maybe. That and choo-choos. Hey, duck. Oh, mind we camped here once before. Yeah. At this bit. That one of the times we came, that other bit was busy, and we walked to here, camped here. In this wee square. Why don't you climb over that big tree and go across? Put your arms out though. Put your arms out, the actual arms. Right. Right, go for it. Up and over. Yeah. I'm going to leave the jumper here and we'll get it when we come back. Oh, whoa! There we go, Dad's nearly decked it already.
It's a bit wet.
It is a bit wet. That goes up there somewhere.
You can't go that way because it's sliding.
And that goes out into the loch. Right, watch it till I come down.
Just jump.
Oh,
you jumped. Oh my.
We're in, we've came into the Amazon. Better not be any spiders in here, or I'm off. I am off if I walk into a spider's web. That'll probably be the birds stealing all our food. Yes. Right, I'm not going in any further because I can't fit.
Come on, up here. It's a trail here.
I'll not fit through there, buddy.
Wait.
I need to go this way.
Come in here, come in here. Come in here. There's a wee path. There's a go here. Oh. You can just step over that, I can just step over that. Oh.
Right, I think we're at the end.
Oh. That is...
Time to go back
Oh, time to go.
and get some snacks. Time to go back. Shouldn't have wore this t-shirt, man. It's making me look massive. Or is it just the wide lens?
Okay.
What's up, bro?
Go that way.
No, I can't get up that way.
Yes, we can.
Come on, let's go this way back.
This way.
What is up there?
What the hell?
God, this t-shirt's not doing anything for me.
Can we just go?
I need to go on a diet again.
Push.
Oh, this is a trail and a half.
True.
Right, go. Run, run, run. Right through.
I run.
Well, not run, but just go a bit up through again. What is that? That's making that noise. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Oh, it's up there, it's a helicopter. So it doesn't sound like a helicopter. I don't know if you can see it up there. It sounded like a big mega plane. Right, going over. Just be careful, but no, leave it. Right, jump up onto that bit and crawl, army crawl.
Are you gonna throw? I can stand up.
Let me see you stand round, because that's the tallest bit.
Come on.
Right, go for it. I'm coming. I am up, because I am the king of the castle.
Are you up?
Yes. Last of the wood. It's not often in Scotland you wake up to a morning like this, is it? The sun is out full pelt. Beautiful stuff. Good morning. Just got up. Albie's still sleeping. Gonna get everything packed away, head for something to eat and get back for the soft play party. Oh god. But this is the view we woke up to. The sun is up. Look at that. My god. Right, let's get the tent away, cue the montage. What you can grab. Right, grab what you can. Let's go.
Take the hammer. Is this heavy?
Right, Albie, that's us done. Let's go say bye to the campsite.
Bye.
There we go.
Bye.
Sun is shining. Right, what we saying, Albie? Is that us done for this trip, and we'll do another one soon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go before the midges eat us to death. Right guys, hope you enjoyed the first video. I'll try and get it edited together, so if you're seeing a video then I've managed to do it. Obviously I'm a wee bit wet behind the ears with the whole filming and what you need to do palaver, but at least we gave it a bash. So that's us, we've got all the stuff packed up and we are off ski. Oh baby.
Go.